Okay, 2001 Subaru Forester, oil change. Open the door, pop the hood, open the hood, grab your prop rod with your third hand. Remove the oil cap, take out the dipstick. Check the oil. Wipe with rag. Insert into the engine. All the way. Okay. Good oil level. My car doesn't leak oil. Take your oil pan. Place it underneath. 17. Pop the drain plug. Then take off your filter. It's going to leak a little. There it goes. Okay, check for an O-ring. Still where the filter was. If there is, you'll probably mess up your engine. I will let it leak as long as possible. Oil up the new filter O-ring with the oil in the cap from the new oil. And I just do it as tight as I can with one hand. Now it's done draining, I'm going to put the plug back in. Don't go too tight with these. Okay, this engine takes just under 4 liters of oil. Just find your cleanest dirty funnel. If you want the bottle to glug less, you tilt it on its side. Only fill to half and check again later. 3.5 liters, and then keep adding oil till it's at half, and then check it like an hour later. And then drive with your hood open. No, don't.